on the arse end of Seller Central. You can put in your keywords. Some of those keywords, blah, 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 are your subject matter keywords, okay? And these are very, very important keywords. If you ever are wanting to really get a keyword noticed, you should put it in subject matter, okay? That is, I have found consistently, one of the top 3 places to put a keyword in the arse end of Seller Central anyway, to get it noticed by Amazon. So it's important as a region. However, what Rod's saying is, on his Seller Central, he's only got room for 3 instead of 5, which you can see here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is that? I don't know, is the answer to that. I don't know why you're only being given 3. It could have something to do with the category you're selling in, or the product you're selling in, the product niche that you're selling in. I don't know. My understanding is, and I am very, very happy to take some guidance from everybody else on the call with this, my understanding is it is consistently 5. I am yet to see anything other than 5. Now, if anybody's got any other intel other than that, please do pipe up. Let me give you a little bit more to that. You asked me about uploading via what's called a flat file versus using this interface to upload. Well, here's the dealio with regards to that, and this is direct from Amazon. So I know with certainty that this is true. The people, and I'm going to paraphrase this because I can't remember exactly how it's put, but I'll paraphrase it. The people who upload via flat file, if you don't know what that means, it's where you download what amounts to effectively an Excel spreadsheet, you fill in a shitload of columns, and then you upload the Excel sheet, the flat file Excel sheet, instead of typing all of this shit in manually, okay? That's what that means. The people who use flat files in general tend to be bigger businesses with a lot more products, because you can upload, hundreds of products all at once using a flat file, which would take you days and days and days using this bloody interface here. So folks with only one product to upload tend to use this interface, aka beginners. That's really what I think Amazon's saying. I think if you read between the lines, that's what that says. Versus big businesses with lots of products uploading via flat file, who tend to be more skilled in this kind of thing. And I think because of that, the flat files also tend to have, in my experience, more glitches in them that can be exploited. Things like, for instance, your ability in this situation, Rod, to upload 5 subject matter terms instead of 3 via Seller Central. It's little things like that that you find heaps in flat files, little things like that. Maddie Burke says, I've only got 1 subject matter. In that case, look, you should just come down here where it says remove the last one. You'll usually find add another there, or add more like that there, okay? Usually find it just there, Maddie, if you don't have it, mate. And seeing as nobody else has said anything about that, I can only assume that everybody else has got 5. Anyway, Rod, look, I don't know why it's only 3 on yours. I've got no idea without taking a look at it. And even then, I'm not quite sure I'd really possibly understand why. Anyway, it could be a glitch. I've got no idea. My own experience is it's always 5. And if you get used to using the flat file to upload, you will often find that there are inconsistencies between what you're allowed to do on the interface and what you're allowed to do on the flat file. And those inconsistencies can be exploited. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, Do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.